Hi guys, welcome back to another edition of my video. This is Speedway. As you guys know that in this channel we used to drop daily analysis on boom and crash index, and we also used to drop daily analysis on step index also. So guys, if you have checking up this channel for the first time, kindly subscribe to this channel because you are going to have a lot of strategy that's going to help you guys. So kindly click on the notification button to notify you when next we drop another wonderful edition. So guys, today this is boom 1000 on 1 minute time frames with the best strategy for you to hold on a trade for long period of time. You see, today's strategy is on you holding a trade for long term, for long period of time. You see, this is 1 hour time frames. Imagine of you taking a trade from this particular level, from this particular level to this particular level. You know how many profits you are going to be making with this on only 1 hour time frames. So this is the kind of profit I want you guys to watch, to enjoy catching. You see that? So I'm back with another strategy that can really help you guys to analyze the trend of the market and also give you the right time for you to enter the market. You see guys, so let me explain to you how this strategy really works. But before I explain, let me show you the settings of this strategy. So what we have in the settings of this strategy, we have our main moving average that we have on our main chart, which shows the trend of the market when the market is a downtrend and when the market is an uptrend. You see, you are going to set that moving average on the period of 20, and we are going to set it on shift of 2. Methods to be simple. We have apply to close. We have our color in yellow color here. So you can choose any color of your choice. You see that, then you press on done, and you click another button from here, which will give you access to this also. So you click on your alligator, which is in the window 1, then you move your period 1 to 60, the second shift to 8, the second period to 10, and this is how you keep on setting up the strategy. You see that? So just screenshot it because you are going to set it up like this, exactly like this, for you to catch up a trade successful on 1 hour time frame for long period of long period of time. You see that? So this is another wonderful strategy. So let me tell you guys how this strategy really works for me and how it's going to also work for you. It's very simple. What you just need to do is to watch this video to the end so that you can catch everything that you need. So anytime we are having our moving average on our main chart going below the trend of the market, we are having an uptrend. And anytime we are having the moving average go above the trend of the market, we are having a uptrend. You need to understand this. So on our alligator, what you are going to be having on our alligator is when our alligator 9 is moving on, our red and green line is crossing each other at this particular zone. You see that? As this zone, this is like an entry for you time to hold on a trade for long period of time, because as we can see now, our blue line is crossing the red and the green at this particular moment, which shows that we are having a downtrend market. And also we have already confirmed that on our moving average on trend that we are having a downtrend, and for this alligator is giving us another confirmation that we are going for another downtrend. You see that? So you can easily enter your trade from here to hold it for long period of time. So let me tell you one of the secrets that pro do use to hold on a trade for long period of time. What they do is that they reduce their lowest loss size to the lowest amount, because they understand that there's always a pullback in the market. There might be pullback in the market. Nobody understands how the market works. So there is there might be a pullback. There might be a pullback in the market. There might be a reverse in the market. There might be a resistance area in the market. but they only know that if they trade with the lowest lot size, they are still on the what, on a safe safe area. So let me tell you guys how you can do it. You see, this is 0.20. So on boom and crash, the only limit amount that you can open as a lot size is what is 0.20. What you are going to do is to add that amount that you want to leave to trade, add it with this 0.20. Let me say, for example, now I want to trade with 0.05. I want to trade with 0.05. What you are going to do is to add that 0.05 to this 0.20. So it's going to give me 0.25 exactly. This is what I'm going to be open. And once I open it, I've already add that 0.05 with it. Then I open it. Then once I open it, then I close it back. I close 0.20 out of it. I close 0.20 out of 0.25. So what is going to left there is going to be 0.05. So this is one of the secrets that pro do use to hold on a trade for long period of time. You see, at this particular level now, you see we have another crossing area at this level, and if you check your moving average, you see it's crossing over. It's giving you that there's going to be a downtrend at this moment. So you enter your trade and you keep on taking down your trade. Don't forget to always set up your stop loss. Let your stop loss always be the last area that before the crossing, which is going to be this area. Your stop loss is going to be around this area, and your entry is going to be around this area. Then you keep on taking down your profit for this. So guys, so let me show you another example of what I mean here. You see, what you just need to do is to be patient. You just need to patient, know the right time that this thing is actually crossing each other. And once it crosses then find an entry above when the moving average on our main chart is also crossing it over. That's the best time for you to hold on a trade. And when you keep on holding it, you keep on moving on a downtrend. The same thing also happen when you are also looking for a uptrend. You see, same thing happen when they cross each other. You cross it at this level, then you wait for the moving average to cross it below. You see, it crosses below here, and once it crosses below, you can keep on taking up your trade on the upper side. You see, you set up your stop loss around this area and you keep on taking up your profits every time. So guys, that's exactly how this strategy works. You see, we have another confirmation from this level. From this level, you see a downtrend and an uptrend. You keep on catching up this strategy on a long period of time. You see, that's exactly how it works. I hope this strategy really help you guys to trade your boom and crash successful. So guys, if you are watching this channel for the first time, kindly subscribe to this channel and click on the notification button to notify you when next we drop our next video. And also, we have room for mentorship. If you want to join our mentorship class, you can also reach us on our Telegram. So we have the Telegram link on the description of the video, so you can check it and follow it up. Thanks.